Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Let us continue lesson 1, the sentence. Dear children, in the previous classes, we have already studied about the sentence, phrase, subject, predicate, and we also studied about the objects of the verb. In today's class, we are going to study kinds of sentences. What are the different kinds of sentences? We have learned that a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. And there are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is assertive sentence, which is also called declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Clear? First one is assertive or declarative sentence. We can call it assertive or declarative both. Clear? The sentences that make a statement are known as assertive or declarative sentences, which make simple statements. Okay? They state or declare something. Clear? Assertive or declarative sentences can be of 2 types. These can be of 2 types. First one is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence, which is also known as positive sentence. Clear? And the second one is negative sentence. Clear? Negative sentence. We are discussing the different types of sentences. First one is assertive, which is also known as declarative sentence. And they state something. They state something. Or they declare something. Clear? Or the statements are known as assertive or declarative sentences. Dear children, assertive or declarative sentences are divided into 2 parts. Clear? They are of 2 types. First one is affirmative sentence or the positive sentence, and the next one is negative sentence. For example, I say, she is dancing. She is dancing. It is positive sentence or affirmative sentence. When I say she is not dancing, she is not dancing. Here I have used the word of negation not. So it's a negative sentence. Clear? Now, the second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The sentences which are used to ask questions. Sentences which are used to ask questions are known as interrogative sentences. For example, I say, who are you? Who are you? Through this sentence, I am asking something. This sentence is used for asking question. So, what kind of sentence it is? It is interrogative sentence. Clear? So, always remember, interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. Dear children, at the end of interrogative sentence, we always put the sign of question mark. Clear? Interrogation mark. We put question mark at the end of this kind of sentence. And dear children, if it is assertive or declarative sentence, we put full stop at the end. Okay? So, punctuation marks. We know sentence is always beginning with a capital letter and it is ending with a proper punctuation mark. And punctuation marks we always use according to the kind of a sentence. If it is declarative sentence, we put full stop at the end. If it is interrogative sentence, we put question mark at the end. Clear? Now, the third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Dear children, the sentences which express command, request, advice, suggestion, order, and so on are known as imperative sentences. The sentences which are expressing command, order, suggestion, suggesting something to someone, making any request, clear, ordering something, those kind of sentences are called imperative sentences. If I say, shut the door, we can say here, through this sentence, the speaker is giving command or order to someone. Clear? If I say, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. Here we can see the request is made. The word please is used. Clear? So the imperative sentences express command, order, suggestion. They make request or give advice to someone. Clear? These kind of sentences are called imperative sentences. And the last one, the fourth one, is exclamatory sentence. Clear? Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences express sudden or strong feelings or emotions. Clear? Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong feelings such as surprise, admiration, appreciation. These kind of expressions are called, when these kind of expressions are put in a sentence, they are exclamatory sentences. They express the sudden strong feelings, emotions, surprise, admiring someone. Let's understand through the example. If I say, how wonderful. How wonderful. It is exclamatory sentence. If I say, help, help. Here we can see the strong feeling is expressed. So these are the exclamatory sentences. And dear children, at the end of the exclamatory sentence, we always put the sign of exclamation. This is the sign of exclamation. Clear? This is the sign of exclamation. At the end of exclamatory sentences, we always put sign of exclamation. Clear? So we have studied the 4 types of sentences. First one is assertive or declarative sentence, which is of 2 types. Affirmative, which is also known as positive sentence, and the negative sentence. Then the second one is interrogative sentence, which is used to ask the questions. Third one is imperative sentence, which is used to express advice, suggestion, command, order, and so on. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence, which is used to express strong, sudden feelings, emotions, surprise, or admiration, etc. Clear? I hope the types of sentence are clear to everyone. Thank you.